nowadays, as you all know, no one is coming to work in hazardous conditions. But the end product produced in the industries must be segregated, as there may be any fault in the industries. So our project, robotic arm, will do the same as humans do. So what we are doing here is, we are just segregating the things like red and green. We have taken two objects. Now this, as you can see, if we assume that red is a fault object, as soon as it recognizes the red object, it will pick up the red object and throw it in that bin and then come back to its original position. So as you can see, this is the camera that we are using to detection of the features. We are using DIP algorithm to do the same. Using DIP, we are not exactly using the image processing. Using DIP, as you can see, we have two objects over here. Two objects, one is the red one and one is the green thing. As, when we use DIP, these two resolutions will come differently. We are using the resolutions as the features and using ANN after that to segregate the things. As you all know, SUM is the best algorithm to segregate or classify the things in ANN algorithm. So we have this basically a mixture of DIP as well as ANN. Coming back to this control circuit, this is the robotic arm that we are using. As you can see, this is one joint, this is movable part, this is also movable, and this is the gripper one. Now, these we are using the servo motors, all these are servo motors, and as you can see the circuit comes, this is nothing but, as you can see, this is not only used in the hazardous waste, it can also be used in the garbage separation. As you know, India's population is increasing day by day, and we do not separate the dry and the wet waste, and to recycle the waste that is necessary to separate out the dry and the wet waste. So that we are going to do with these things, with the minor changes in the ANN algorithm that we have used. Now we have taken the intensities to segregate the things. There we will use the weight as the features using the SVM, the same SVM that we have used for this thing. Thanks, and